Shop smarter with brainybuyer.com and support smarter by subscribing. Your click means more unbiased tests, clearer charts, and fewer decision headaches. So I'm looking at these two super-automatic espresso machines, the De'Longhi Magnifica Evo and the Jura S8. Both are renewed, right?
Yeah, that's right. Both are renewed models. The De'Longhi is around $500, while the Jura is sitting at a cool $1,500. That's a huge price difference.
Huge! But let's get into the specs. The De'Longhi has 6 one-touch recipes, including iced coffee, which is nice.
The Jura boasts 15 specialties, all accessible through a 4.3-inch color touchscreen. Fancy.
Okay, touchscreen is definitely a plus. What about the grinders?
Both have built-in conical burr grinders, but the Jura claims its Aroma G3 grinder is twice as fast and more precise.
Speed and precision matter for consistent espresso. The De'Longhi has 13 grind settings, though. Does the Jura specify the number of grind settings?
It doesn't specifically say how many, but it emphasizes the G3's aroma preservation. It also mentions a pulse extraction process, or PEP, for optimal extraction time, especially for espresso and ristretto.
Sounds sophisticated. The De'Longhi just mentions adjusting grind, size, and amount. What about milk frothing? I love a good latte.
The De'Longhi has a traditional milk frother, simple and effective. The Jura has a, quote, fine foam frother, specifically designed for milk specialties, promising better textured foam.
Okay, so the Jura seems to be pushing for that barista quality experience. What about cleaning?
The De'Longhi highlights removable and dishwasher-safe parts. Easy cleanup is a big win. The Jura probably has similar features, but they are not as prominently advertised.
Good point. Dimensions-wise, the Jura is slightly smaller, but both are reasonably compact for super-automatic machines. The Jura weighs a bit less, 20.8 pounds, versus the Jura's 22.1 pounds.
Overall, if you're on a budget and want a decent machine with basic features and easy cleaning, the De'Longhi Magnifica Evo is a solid choice.
But if you want a premium experience with more specialty options, a touchscreen interface, and potentially better milk frothing, and are willing to shell out, the Jura S8 seems like the way to go.
Exactly. It really comes down to budget and how serious you are about your coffee.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.